These people here are making thousands upon thousands of dollars in completely passive income. And today, I will show you how you can do the same, how you can set up a passive income stream that will allow you to earn thousands of dollars without having to invest hours and hours of your precious time in doing any hard work at all. Now, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so the main platform we will be using today in order to make money online is actually going to be Amazon.com. A site I reckon 99% of you watching have heard about before, and as such, most of you will probably think that this involves selling something. But let me make it clear right away that that is not the case whatsoever. You will not be selling anything, you won't be doing drop shipping or whatever. You will see how we will be using Amazon to get paid because I will explain everything to you in a second. But first off, what you will want to do is go over to Amazon's official website and create an absolutely free account. To do so, just hover your mouse right here, and then you will be able to see it says New Customer, and you want to click on the Start Here button right next to it. What you will need to do from there on the following page is enter in your name, your valid email address, create a password, retype that same password, and finally click on Create Your Amazon Account. Now that you have your Amazon account, let me explain how and why we will be using Amazon in order to make money. The way we will be making money, guys, is through Amazon Kindle. For those of you who don't know, on Amazon Kindle, people are selling various ebooks and making mind-blowing amounts of money in the process. For example, this ebook is selling for $11 and has had over 9,000 reviews, meaning that at least a minimum of 9,000 purchases have been made. And so if you do the math, that's like $90,000 made, which is just crazy. And do keep in mind that this is far from the only ebook that has made that much money. There are many more ebooks with similar numbers. This one here is selling for $9 and has had nearly 17,000 reviews. In other words, we are talking about $150,000 made at bare minimum, even more than that previous example. Here's another one I found. It cost $6 and has had nearly 10,000 reviews. So we're talking about $60,000 or so made, which is once again a lot of money. There are tons more examples I can go over here, but I think you get the point. By selling ebooks, you can make outright ridiculous amounts of money on Amazon. Furthermore, the sheer popularity of Amazon as well will allow you to make a lot of money selling those ebooks. Take a look at this. Amazon is being visited by not hundreds of thousands or millions, but literally billions of people per month. More specifically, around 2.7 billion or so visited Amazon in the past month. It's one of the most popular platforms today by far, with only a handful of websites having more visits. In any case, the point is that this has a huge potential. There's a lot of money to be made by selling those ebooks on Amazon simply because it's so popular. And another great thing is that once you upload that ebook on Amazon, it stays there forever, and Amazon will promote it for you and get customers to purchase it. You won't have to advertise yourself anywhere. As such, you don't need a social media presence either. Once you upload the ebook, your work is basically done. However, if you were to sell ebooks, you would need to be a writer, which of course requires a set of skills, right? Well, you actually don't. This is because I will show you in this video a website that will allow you to grab finished and done-for-you ebooks that you will then be able to sell on Amazon Kindle here to make a ton of money without lifting a finger. So make sure you keep watching. Before we get to that platform though, there is one last thing you guys will need to do, and that is to go over to kdp.amazon.com and then click on the sign in button right here so that you can actually publish your ebooks. And by the way, down here you can see further benefits of selling ebooks on Amazon. For starters, it takes literally 5 minutes, as is said right here, to publish an ebook on Amazon. So it will basically be published instantly. And as you can see below, you will retain 70% of the profit if the person who purchased the ebook is from the following countries: the US, Canada, UK, Germany, India, France, Italy, Spain, Japan, Brazil, Mexico, Australia, and many more that are not listed. And for those wondering, this indeed is worldwide available. There's no place where Amazon is not available, that's for sure. With all of that said and done, now that you've seen how much potential this has and how much money everyday people are making selling those ebooks, it's finally time for me to show you the platform I was talking about from the very beginning of this video. A platform where you can get done-for-you ebooks that you can then sell for a big profit. That site is called plrbookclub.com. This is a site where you can find over 20,000 digital products, as you can see right here. But more importantly for us, with private label rights ebooks, aka PLR ebooks, you have the ability to add yourself as the author if you wish, and sell them. So as you just heard, on this platform you can do basically whatever you want to with the ebooks. You can claim you are the author and indeed sell them on Amazon to make thousands of dollars, even though you haven't written the actual ebooks yourself. How crazy is that? Moreover, as you can see here, there are over 400 niches, meaning that you can find an ebook related to just about anything that you think would sell best, whether it's weight loss and fitness, gaming, or whatever. You will be able to find it on this site. To be able to grab an ebook on this site, what you will need to do is click on Get Started Today in the upper right corner here. That will bring you to this page where you will be able to see that you need to invest $15 a month to be able to download 20 ebooks a month. Now, before you click off this video, guys, I want you to think about that for a second. You've seen previously that a single ebook can make you literally over $50,000. So when you think about it, being able to sell 20 ebooks per month doesn't sound that bad now, does it? Moreover, there's a big reason why I'm showing you this site despite the fact that it isn't free. And that reason is that this platform has unique ebooks that you can't find anywhere else online. If you were to use some other PLR website that offers you ebooks for free, you would find that you cannot sell them on Amazon because they have been used so many times before, thus you can't earn any money selling them. But by using ebooks from this site, you can actually make a lot of money because they are, as I said, unique. And you don't have to do anything whatsoever once you download them and upload them onto Amazon. Lastly, you can see that they offer you a 60-day money-back guarantee, so this essentially removes all of the risk for you. If you don't like the site or whatever, you can just ask for a refund and that's it. You stand to lose nothing in the end. In case some of you still want a free website, then what I would recommend you do is type in PLR ebooks on Google here and then use some of these that you can find. Even though they have ebooks that are overused, as I said, you can sometimes find some newer ones that you can use for free and sell them on Amazon to make some decent amounts of money passively. Anyways, with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you are enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.